We have some big news coming in. India Today has accessed a letter in which the Railway Ministry has directed states to collect money from migrants for tickets and hand over to it. Here's some big news coming in. India Today has accessed a letter in which the Railway Ministry has clearly directed state governments to collect money from migrants for tickets and hand it over. This is the information coming in with Anand Patel joining us for more on this. Anand Patel, here we're looking at a letter that India Today has accessed. Please elaborate on the letter where the Railway Ministry is seen directing states to collect money from migrants for tickets.
Well, yes, this is a big revelation, and this is coming from the Congress sources. They have issued this letter to the media, and they have said that this is the 2nd of May dated letter from the Railway Ministry to the concerned officials of the railways and the state governments. It clearly says that the sale of the tickets, about which there is a lot of controversy with the BJP and the Congress exchanging barbs over it, it clearly mentions that the sale of tickets will be done by the authorities. It will not be sold in person, which the MHA guidelines say. But it says that the state authorities and the local governments will collect the money from the migrant laborers and hand it over to the railways. Now, this clearly contradicts what the BJP spokesperson have been claiming since morning, that the 85% of the cost will be borne by the centre and 15% by the state governments. It clearly contradicts their stand that the migrant laborers are not being charged anything. This letter nails their lies and brings out the fact that there was no decision by the Railway Ministry that the migrants will not be charged. This letter clearly nails out the lie that the BJP spokesperson are saying since morning. And the Congress party, this is the reason why they are pointing it out, that the states have been forced to charge the migrant laborers, and in states like Kerala, as high as 850 rupees was charged from the migrant laborers in lieu of their tickets. So clearly, we've seen states after states, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and even Kerala, all these states have been saying that the absence of SOPs and clear guidelines from the Railway Ministry has led to this confusion. The end bearer is the migrant labor who's been suffering, who's been locked out away from his home for over a month and has to finally shell out money despite being jobless for over a month to return home.
Well, that's shocking, Anand. It's not here. It's not a case of miscommunication. It's a case of communication, where the Railway Ministry has clearly communicated with respective state governments to collect money for tickets for migrants and then hand it over to the railways. It's a clear communication which the state governments have followed, many of them. And now the MHA guidelines coming out to say 85% subsidy. That part of the information has not been communicated. What's really happening here? India Today has accessed this letter put forth, which is now doing the rounds. Anand says that it's the Congress who's procured the letter and put it out.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.